I've got some BMW news for you guys. In this video, we're gonna talk about the retail ordering guide for the 2023 BMW X6. I'm gonna talk about the pricing, the changes, everything that I noticed from last year's. Been a few little price increase and stuff like that. So let's hop into the retail ordering guide and show you guys everything you need to know. So thankfully, BMW Canada put together a product bulletin so that I can highlight exactly what changed. So there was base MSRP increases, $1,700 for the 6-cylinder 40i, $2,000 for the V8 M50 variant. Now, Vernacular leather was dropped as a standard feature. We now have Sansafin as the new standard feature for the X6. Premium Enhanced package didn't get a price change at all, but inside that, Bowers & Wilkins did increase by $600 as that available option. Premium Excellence package stayed the exact same, but it looks like the BMW individual full merino leather was removed as an alternate inside that package. Now, as standalone features, you have Napa leather dashboard increased by $450, Bowers & Wilkins, of course, increased by $600, the Alcantara black roof liner, $400 increase, and the Alcantara roof liner in a complementary color, $400 price increase. It looks like the exterior paint option of Arctic Gray Metallic is no longer available. It looks like there was a $1,000 price increase to merino leather. Now onto the actual ordering guide. The only thing that's really important here is the start of production of August of 2022. Now, when you're trying to spec out an X6 from the factory, the first thing you got to choose is which engine variant you're going to go with. You have the 40i and the M50i, and those are the base MSRPs. Then the second option is going to be your paints. So Alpine White as the non-metallic option, and then some no-charge metallic options with a few of them like Dravite Gray, Tanzanite, and Ametrine being a $1,450 option. And then you get into upholstery. Sansafin is your standard now over the Vernacular leather from last year. So you can get that in Silverstone, Coffee, Cognac, and Black, and then you get into your individual merino leathers and then your individual full merino leathers. So this is going to include the dashboard, the upper door panel area, and all of the lower dashboard around your knees. And then you get into your packages. So on top of the standard features, you can include some additional features. So everything from inside that essential package. Now there could be some microchip shortages right now on the heated and cooled cup holders. There's some additional red or blue M Sport brakes that you can add on. And then there's the Premium Enhanced package that you can add on. Enhanced packages include everything from that essential package plus that additional content. And then the top line package would be Premium Excellence, which include everything from Essential, everything from Enhanced, plus those additional item contents. Also, when you get with the Excellence package, it makes the individual merino leather either included or makes the full merino leather at a lower priced option. Then you have the M Carbon Fiber Exterior package and the M Off-Road package. The Off-Road package is only available on the 40i as the M Sport Differential, the Adaptive Air Suspension, and then the Off-Road package for everything included in that. The final package is going to be an Advanced Driver Assistance package. This is basically everything with active stop-and-go cruise control, traffic jam assistant, driving assistant professional. Then we start to get into the individual options. Everything here is going to be listed as the wheels. I'll touch back on that later. At the end of the ordering guide, it shows you what the actual wheel options look like. So after you've selected your paint, your leather, and your packages, you have some additional standalone options like the active rear wheel steering for $2,000, a trailer tow hitch, different trims on the inside, high gloss black roof rails, certain things like that can be added as standalone options. Now some of these options are no charge, like certain different interior trims, and certain of them are increased, like a carbon fiber trim is $1,000. Laser light headlights is $1,500. So you can really kind of pick and choose exactly how you want your car to look. Some of them will require other ones. So you'll see lots of codes underneath, like let's take 7M9 high gloss black exterior content. In order to add this, you first have to add 6DN or ZZ0. Z0 is going to be the high gloss black window surround. At the very bottom of the options list, you're going to get the individual frozen paintwork for $4,900 or BMW individual paintwork for $3,900. So if you've ever seen a BMW color on an X6 that wasn't at the exterior paint options at the top of the ordering guide, then you're going to get it with that individual paint option. Then we go through the rest of the standard features, different standard features for the 40i and the M50i. You just keep an eye on which ones are highlighting under standard. And then at the end of the ordering guide, you have all the different wheel options. So it's going to take you through what the wheel options are, what the tire options are, and exactly what the tire sizes are on there. All right, thank you guys so much for watching. If you guys appreciate this BMW content, please smash the like button, subscribe to the channel. If you're interested in ordering up an X6, feel free to reach out to me at my email down below. If you know anybody who's in the marketplace in Toronto or BMW, feel free to send them my contact info. Thank you guys so much, and I'll see you on the next one.